Solar system. Solar system is a tiny part of a galaxy and consists of the Sun and all the objects that travel around it. It includes the Earth and 8 other planets, along the satellites that travel around most of them. It further includes asteroids, meteoroids, comets, interplanetary dust and interplanetary plasma. Asteroids. Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the Sun. Smaller than planets. Meteoroids. Objects in space that range from dust grains to small asteroids. Comets. Comic snowballs of frozen gases, rocks and dust that orbit the Sun. Size of small town. Stars. Stars are huge celestial bodies made mostly of hydrogen and helium that produce light and heat from the churning nuclear forges inside their cores. Planet. A planet is a celestial body that is in orbit around the Sun. Moon. A moon is an object that orbits a planet and that shines at night by reflecting light from the Sun. Mercury. It is the second smallest planet in this solar system and is closest to the Sun. Its mean distance from the Sun is 0.387 astronomical units. An astronomical unit, O, is the mean distance between the center of the Earth and the center of the Sun. Its equatorial diameter is 4,880 kilometers. It takes 88 Earth days to complete one revolution around the Sun. Mercury looks a lot like the Moon, covered with holes called craters. There are great soaring cliffs on the surface of Mercury, called scarps. It has no moon. Venus. It is called as Earth's twin in size and mass. Venus is hotter than Mercury. The planet is wrapped in thick clouds of gas called carbon dioxide which traps the Sun's heat like the windows of a greenhouse. Venus is 0.723 AU away from the Sun. Its revolution period is 225 days. Its equatorial diameter is 12,104 kilometers. It also has no moon. Earth. Earth is the most wonderful planet of the universe. It is 1 AU away from the Sun. Its equatorial diameter is 12,756 kilometers. The Earth is the largest of the native planets. Seen from spaces, the Earth is a beautiful ball of colors: blue ocean, white clouds, and brown continents. It has one moon. Mars. It is in direct contrast to Venus with its hot and cloudy atmosphere. Mars is a barren desert. It is covered with red dust. That is why we call Mars the red planet. There is no water on Mars. It is 1,524 AU away from the Sun. Mars orbits the Sun once after every 687 days. Its equatorial diameter is 6,787 kilometers. Mars has 2 moons, called Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter. It has a dense, cloudy atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. It is actually the largest planet of the solar system. Its diameter is 143,000 kilometers. Jupiter orbits the Sun once after every 11.86 years. It has 16 moons. Saturn. It is the second largest planet. Its special feature is the superb rings of Saturn, which have the appearance of a large, extremely thin and flat circular sheet. It is 9,539 AU away from the Sun and its revolution period is 29.46 years. Its diameter is 120,000 kilometers. It has at least 22 moons. Uranus. It has mostly hydrogen and helium atmosphere. It is 19.18 AU away from the Sun. Its diameter is 51,800 kilometers. Its revolution period is 84.01 years. It has 15 moons. Uranus is big and gives greenish glow. Neptune. It is similar to Uranus. It is 30.06 AU away from the Sun. Its diameter is 49,500 kilometers. Its revolution period is 164.8 years. Neptune has only 2 known moons. Pluto. It is the most distant and the smallest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is 400 kilometers. Pluto orbits the Sun once every 248.4 years. It has a very low temperature. It has only one moon called Charon. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to this channel for more videos.